Hello friends, this is Vinay from IS interview. Today we will discuss a very most important interview question related topic, Swift closures. So friends, moving further on the video, if you did not subscribe my channel till now, then subscribe and press the bell icon. So sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a break. Don't lose faith. This is quote by Steve Jobs. Topics we will cover on this video are introduction, basic closure syntax, capturing values, escaping closures, non-escaping closures, why distinguish escaping and non-escaping, and conclusion. Introduction. Closures in Swift are self-contained blocks of functionality that can be passed around and used in your code. They are similar to blocks in C and Objective-C or lambdas in other programming languages. Understanding closures, particularly how they capture and store references to variables and constants from the surrounding context, is a key aspect of Swift programming. Basic closure syntax. A closure in Swift can capture constants and variables from the surrounding context. Here is an simple example. Let's say hello, parenthesis, name, string, return string, in, return hello, name. Print say hello, allies. It will print hello, allies. Capturing values. Closures can capture and store references to any constants and variables from the context in which they are defined. This is known as closing over those variables and constants. The closure can rather the closure can then refer to and modify these values from within its body, even if the original scope that defined the variables and constants no longer exists. Func make incremental for increment amount pass int return func return int var running total equal to 0 return running total plus equal to amount return running total parenthesis close. Let increment by 10 equal to make incrementer for increment pass 10. Increment by 10 we call and return 10 and increment by 10 func we call and return 20. Escaping closures. An escaping closure is a closure that's passed as an argument to a function and is executed after the function returns. In other words, the closure escapes the function body. You indicate that a closure is escaping by writing at the rate escaping before the parameters type. Escaping closures are most often used for asynchronous operations. When you need the closure to be executed at a later time after the function has completed its execution. For example, when making an asynchronous network request, the completion handler would be an escaping closure. Func fetch data completion handler at the rate escaping data return void. Parenthesis perform some asynchronous task, let data equal to data, placeholder for fetch data, completion handler, data. In this example, completion handler is an escaping closure. It's called after fetch data has executed its body. Non-escaping closures. By default, closures are non-escaping in Swift. A non-escaping closure is a closure that's called within the function it's passed into, meaning it doesn't outlive the function's scope. Before Swift 3, closures were escaping by default. Func perform operation with closure return void closure. In this example, the closure passed to perform operation is non-escaping, meaning it will be executed within the perform operation function and can't be stored or executed outside its scope. Why distinguish escaping and non-escaping? Memory management and performance optimization are the main reasons behind distinguishing between escaping and non-escaping closures. Number one, memory management. Escaping closures might create strong reference cycles if they capture self or other instances. Being explicit about escaping closures helps in handling such cases properly, often by using capture lists to optimization. For non-escaping closures, Swift can perform certain optimizations like allocating the closure on the stack rather than the heap. So, friends, now moving on conclusion. Understanding the concept of escaping and non-escaping closures in Swift is vital for memory management, especially in asynchronous programming and when working with APIs that require callback functions. In this video, we try to cover all differences on escaping and non-escaping closures related to this interview. We will discuss other questions in upcoming video. This will definitely help you to prepare for your next interview. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Also comment below if you learn something new here. So friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for getting further updates and interview questions related video on iOS interview. Thank you.